Sending a package overseas.
Good afternoon. I'd like to send this package to Canada.
Good afternoon. Sure, is this your first time mailing a package overseas?
Yes, it is. I'm not very familiar with the process.
No problem. I can help you step by step.
Thank you. I really appreciate that.
First, we need to fill out a customs form.
Okay. What information do I need?
Just your name, the address, and what's inside the package.
I see. What if I'm not sure how to describe the items?
That's fine. Just use simple words. What's inside?
There are some clothes and chocolates.
Great. You can write clothes and chocolate on the form.
Do I need to write the price?
Yes, an estimated value is enough.
All right. I think I'm done filling it out.
Let me take a look. Yes, everything looks good.
That's a relief.
Now, please place the package on the scale.
Okay, here it is.
Thanks. The weight is fine.
What shipping options do I have?
You can choose express or standard shipping.
What's the difference?
Express takes about 5 days, but costs more.
And standard shipping?
Standard shipping takes about 3 weeks and is cheaper.
The package is not urgent. I'll choose standard.
Good choice.
How much does it cost?
The total comes to $32.
Can I pay with a card?
Yes, card or cash is fine.
I'll pay by card.
All right, please insert your card here.
Done.
Thank you. Here is your receipt. The tracking number is printed at the bottom.
Great. I can check it online, right?
Exactly. You can track it anytime.
Thank you for being so patient.
You're very welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Joining a fitness center.
Hello. Welcome to Active Life Gym. How can I help you today?
Hi, I live nearby and I'm thinking about joining a gym.
That's great to hear. Have you been to a gym before?
Not really. I'm kind of new to exercise.
No problem at all. Many of our members are beginners.
That makes me feel better.
Would you like some information or a short tour?
I'd like to ask a few questions first.
Sure, go ahead.
How much does it cost per month?
Our basic plan is $35 per month.
What does that include?
It includes all gym equipment and locker rooms.
Okay. Do you have classes like stretching or yoga?
Yes, we do. Our full plan is $55 per month and includes all classes.
That sounds useful. What time do you open and close?
We are open from 5 a.m. to 11 p.m. every day.
That's good. I usually come early in the morning.
Early mornings are very quiet and popular.
Is there a long-term contract?
No, you can pay month by month.
That's nice. I don't like long contracts.
Many people feel the same way.
Can beginners join the classes?
Of course, the instructors explain everything slowly.
That's important for me.
Would you like to see the gym now?
Yes, please.
This is the main workout area.
It looks clean and spacious.
Over here is the classroom.
Oh, it looks calm and comfortable.
The next yoga class is tonight at 7 p.m.
That's perfect. I think I want to join the full plan.
Great choice. Let's go to the desk and sign you up.
Ordering coffee at a cafe.
Hello, welcome. What would you like today?
Hi, I would like a small coffee, please.
Sure, hot or iced?
Hot, please.
No problem. Anything else?
Yes, I want a drink for my sister.
Okay, what does she like?
She likes milk tea.
Great. 1 hot coffee and 1 milk tea.
Thank you. My English is not very good.
That's okay. You're doing very well.
I forget small things sometimes.
That's normal. You corrected yourself just now.
Yes, she likes milk tea.
Exactly. Perfect sentence.
Thank you. That helps a lot.
You're welcome. That will be $5.
Here you go.
Thanks. Your drinks will be ready soon.
Great. Thank you very much.
Have a nice day.
Laundry at a laundromat.
Excuse me, is this machine free?
Yes, it is. Do you need help?
Yes, please. I don't know how to start it.
No problem. These machines are a bit old.
Thank you. My English is not very strong.
That's okay. I understand you.
Great. What do I do first?
First, put your clothes inside and close the door.
Okay, done.
Now add the detergent here.
Oh, I see. Like this?
Yes, that's perfect.
What about the money?
You put the coins in this slot.
All right.
Next, choose the wash type. Hot, warm, or cold.
I will choose cold.
Good choice. Now press start.
It's working.
Yes, you did it.
Thank you so much. I was afraid to ask.
Don't worry. It's okay to ask for help.
I make many mistakes when I speak.
That's how you learn. You're doing well.
Thank you. I feel more confident now.
You're welcome. Enjoy your laundry.
The park bench lesson.
Hello. Nice day, isn't it?
Yes, it's very nice today.
My name is Leo. Are you studying something?
Hi, Leo. I'm Hannah. Yes, I'm studying English.
That's great. What are you learning right now?
I'm learning have and has. I feel confused.
That's normal. Many learners feel that way.
I'm shy to speak English. I make many mistakes.
That's okay. Mistakes help you learn.
Really?
Yes. Let's practice together. I have a book.
You have a book.
Good. Now look at that boy.
He has a book.
Perfect. Now let's try a question. Do you have a pen?
Yes, I do.
Great. Now ask me about the boy.
Does he have a pen?
Very good. You're learning fast.
Thank you. It's easier when we practice.
Exactly. Just keep going, step by step.
Thank you, Leo. I feel more confident now.
You're welcome. Let's enjoy the park now. A nice find at the mall.
Excuse me?
Hello, can I help you with something?
Yes, I am looking at this jacket.
That's a good choice. It's very warm and comfortable.
I like it, especially the black color.
Black is very popular. It looks good on everyone.
Thank you. I want to buy it, but I have a question.
Sure, what would you like to know?
The price says $75. Is that correct?
Yes, that is the regular price.
That is a bit expensive for me.
I understand. Let me check something for you.
Okay, thank you.
Good news! This jacket is on sale today.
Really?
Yes, it's 25% off.
That's great. What is the new price?
The new price is $56.
That sounds much better.
Are you a member of our store?
No, I am not.
That's okay. You can sign up for free.
Oh, nice. Is there any benefit?
Yes, members get an extra 5% off today.
Wow, that's a good deal.
Yes, it is.
I would like to sign up then.
No problem. It only takes 1 minute.
Great, I will take the jacket.
Perfect. Please come with me to the counter.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. I'm happy to help.
Help at the pharmacy.
Excuse me, could you help me, please?
Of course. What can I help you with today?
I'm not feeling very well.
I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem?
I have a sore throat and a cough.
I see. Do you also have a fever?
No, I don't think so.
Did you check your temperature today?
Yes, this morning. It was normal.
Okay, that's good.
I need something mild.
Do you need to stay awake today?
Yes, I have to drive later.
Then you should avoid medicine that causes drowsiness.
Yes, exactly.
Let me show you this cough syrup.
What does it help with?
It helps with coughs and sore throats.
Will it make me sleepy?
No, it's safe for daytime use.
That's good to hear.
You can take 1 spoon every 4 hours.
Every 4 hours. Okay.
Do not take more than 4 doses a day.
I understand.
You should also drink warm water or tea.
I like tea. That's easy.
Rest is important too.
I'll try to rest tonight.
If your symptoms get worse, see a doctor.
Okay, I will.
Do you have any allergies to medicine?
No, I don't.
Good. Then this should be fine for you.
Thank you for explaining everything.
You're welcome. The total is $12.
Here you go.
Thank you.
I really appreciate your help.
My pleasure. I hope you feel better soon.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
At the farmer's market.
Good morning. Your stand looks very nice.
Good morning. Thank you. We grow everything ourselves.
That's great. These tomatoes look very fresh.
Yes, we picked them early this morning.
What kind of tomatoes are they?
These are Roma tomatoes. They are good for cooking.
Are they good for making sauce?
Yes, they are perfect for sauce and pasta.
Nice. And what about these yellow ones?
Those are cherry tomatoes. They're sweet and good for salads.
I like sweet tomatoes.
Then you will enjoy those.
How much are the Roma tomatoes?
They are $2 per pound.
Okay, I'll take 1 pound, please.
Sure, I'll weigh them for you. Would you like anything else today?
Maybe some fruit. What do you recommend?
Our peaches are very good this week.
Are they ripe?
Yes, they are sweet and ready to eat.
That sounds good. I'll take 3 peaches.
Great choice. Anything else?
No, that's all for today.
All right, 1 pound of tomatoes and 3 peaches. Your total is $6.50.
Here you go.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your food.
I will. Have a nice day.
Rushing to the train station.
Hi, can you take me to the train station, please?
Good morning. Which station do you need?
Central Station, please.
Sure. Are you in a hurry?
Yes, very much. I think I am late.
Oh dear. What time is your train?
It leaves at 8:30 a.m.
And what time is it now?
It's 8 a.m.
Okay, that's close, but we can try.
I'm really worried.
Don't worry too much. I drive this route every day.
Is the traffic bad this morning?
It can be busy, but not too bad today.
That's good to hear.
Do you have a lot of luggage?
Just 1 suitcase and a backpack.
That's fine. You'll be quick.
Thank you. I didn't plan my time well.
It happens to everyone.
Yes, especially to me.
I'll take a faster road.
Really?
Yes, it's shorter and usually quieter.
That sounds great.
Are you traveling far today?
Yes, I'm going to another city for work.
I see. Is it an important trip?
Very important. I have a meeting.
Then we must get you there on time.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. We're almost there.
I can see the station now.
Yes, we made good time.
What time is it now?
It's 8:22 a.m.
Oh wow, I still have time.
Yes, but you should walk fast.
I will. How much is the ride?
It's $18, please.
Here you go. Keep the change.
Thank you. Good luck with your trip.
Thanks again. Have a great day.
Buying a train ticket.
Hello, can I buy a train ticket here?
Yes, of course. Where are you going?
I want to go to Chicago.
Okay. When do you want to travel?
Tomorrow morning, please.
Let me check the schedule. There is a train at 9 a.m.
That sounds good.
Do you need a one-way ticket or a round-trip ticket?
One way, please.
All right. Do you want a standard seat or a quiet car?
A standard seat is fine.
Okay. The price is $65.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, card is fine.
Here you go.
Thank you. Please wait a moment. Here is your ticket.
Thank you.
Your train number is 204.
Okay. Which platform does the train leave from?
It leaves from platform 3.
Where is platform 3?
Go straight and turn right. You will see the signs above.
Is the train on time today?
Yes, it is on schedule.
How early should I be there?
About 15 minutes before departure.
Good to know.
Do you have any luggage?
Just one small bag.
That is no problem.
Is there food on the train?
Yes, there is a cafe car.
Great. How long is the trip?
About 6 hours.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice trip.